Students, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we are going to see a new lesson how the state government works. How the state government works, who are all in the state government, what are his qualifications, powers and functions. These are the things we are going to learn in this class. Learning objectives. Students acquire knowledge in state executive, powers and function of the governor, powers and function of the chief minister, legislative assembly and council, state judiciary. Introduction. There are two sets of government in our country, the central government and the state government. The states have their own executive and legislative and judiciary. The state executive consists of the governor and the council of ministers headed by the chief minister. The governor is an integral part of the state legislature. There are two sets of government. One is the state government and central government. In central government, we have some cabinet ministers. There are 28 state governments in our country. Every state government has their own administrations. In some state it is bicameral, some state it is unicameral. The state have their own executive, legislative and judiciary. One who create the laws they are called the legislator, and this legislators passes to the executive to execute whether it is good or bad, to check. After checking it is passes to the judiciary to it is good for the people or not. These three things are belongs to the state, which are the executive, legislative and judiciary. The state executive consists of the governor. The state executive only consists of the governor and council of ministers. That council of ministers are headed by the chief minister. The governor is the integral part of the state legislature. State executive. The governor, powers and function, position of the governor, chief minister, powers and function. Governor. The constitution provides for the post of the governor as the head of the state in India. He is appointed by the President of India. He is the constitutional head of a state. The governor is appointed for a term of 5 years. To be the governor, a person must be a citizen of India and should have completed 35 years of age, and he cannot be a member of the parliament or the state legislature. First, governor. The governor is an integral part of the state legislature. The governor is appointed by the president. Our governor is appointed by the president. He is the constitutional head of the state. The governor is appointed for a term of 5 years. For the 5 years he can his period. Okay, but before the expiry of his full term, the president can dismiss him from office. The president can choose to dismiss the governor. The governor may resign his post. He can resign his post. His term of office may be extended and may be transferred to another state. Okay, the state government cannot remove the government from his post. To be a governor, a person must be a citizen of India and should have completed 35 years of age, and he cannot be a member of the parliament or the state legislature. He should not hold any office of profit. Okay, then some importance. Do you know? Generally, a person is not appointed governor in his own state. The same place, the same state cannot be appointed as a governor in the same state. Okay. Powers and functions. The president imposes emergency in a state under Article 356 on the basis of the report of the governor. Money bills can be introduced in the state legislative assembly only with the approval of the governor. What are the powers and functions? What are the powers and function of the governor? The governor is the nominal executive in a state. All the executive powers of the state are vested upon him, and decisions also taken by the governor. He only appointed the chief minister and other council of ministers. He can appoint some important appointments of the state government such as Advocate General, Chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission and others. The President to make a law emergency in his Article 356 on the basis of the report of the Governor. The Governor will also act as a head of the state university. He can act as a head of the state university. He notice and discontinue the section of the state legislature, and he can dissolve the legislative assembly. Money bills can be introduced in the state legislative assembly only with the approval of the governor. The governor may prolongs audience when the legislative assembly or both the houses of the legislature. He can submit the notice to the audience before the houses of the legislature. The governor may nominate one member in an Anglo-Indian community of the legislative assembly. He can choose to appoint 1/6 members of the legislative council from among persons who are experts in the fields of science, literatures, arts, social service and cooperative movement. Okay, next, position of the governor. What is the position of the governor? Governor is responsible for maintaining relation between the central government and the state government. The president declares emergency in a state on the basis of the report of the governor regarding the law and order situation in the state. Okay, what is the position of the governor? The position of the governor is compared to the president of India. The position of the governor is compared to the president of India. The governor is not always a nominal executive. He can exercise his power in the real sense on some occasion. He acts as an agent of central government. He is responsible for maintaining the relationship between the central government and the state government. The governor may advise the council of ministers when faces difficult situations. Suppose any situations, bad situations are in the state, means the governor can give some advice to the council of ministers to face the situation. The president declares emergency in a state on the basis of the report of the governor regarding the law and order situation in the state. The governor takes independent decision while exercising the discriminatory powers. He may seek information from the council of ministers regarding the various activities of the government. The governor can support the state government, council of ministers and other peoples for in the bad situations. Next one, the chief minister. The government appoints the leader of the majority party in the state legislative assembly as the chief minister. He is the head of the state council of ministers. The chief minister must be a member of the state legislature. Next, chief minister. Our chief minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin. We know. First, what is the functions? What is the duties? The governor appoints the leader of the majority party of the state legislative assembly. The governor only appoints the chief minister. Then the chief minister is the head of the council of ministers. The chief minister has no fixed term. He remains the office so long as he supports the majority members of the legislative assembly. When he loses the people in the legislature, he has to resign. Okay, in the resignation of the chief minister means the resignation of the whole council of ministers in the state. Then what is the rules? Some rules regarding the chief minister. The chief minister must be the member of the state legislature. If he is not the member of the state legislature at the time of his taking over charge, he must be within a period of 6 months. Then powers and functions. All major decisions of the state government are taken under his leadership. He plays an important role in making higher appointments of the state government. The governor appoints different higher officials of the state government on the advice of the chief minister and his council of ministers. First, powers. What are the powers? The chief minister is the real executive of the state. He make all the decision in the state government under his leadership. Next, the chief minister plays an important role in council of ministers. With his advice, he appointed all other ministers. The chief minister supervises all activities in the states. He can advise the council of ministers and coordinate with the activity of different ministers. The chief minister play an important role in making policy of the state government. He has to ensure that the policy of the government do not go against the public interest. His voice is minor in policy decision of the state government. He plays an important role in higher appointments of the state government. The governor appoints different higher official of the state government on the advice of the chief minister and his council of ministers. Up to this, today class over. Thank you students. Now take your book and material to split the words.